Have you ever dreamed of living off the land, harvesting your own food straight from your garden? Today, we're diving into 12 surefire crops that will ensure self-sufficiency in rural Thailand. Let's get started. First up, rice, the staple of Thai cuisine. Even a small paddy can yield a substantial amount of rice, enough to feed your family and maybe even sell a little. Choose varieties like Jasmine or sticky rice for the best results. Next, mango trees. With over 100 varieties available, you can enjoy a diverse range of flavors. Varieties like Nam Dak Mai and Mahachanok are particularly popular for their sweetness and versatility. Plus, these trees provide excellent shade. Lemongrass is another essential. Not only does it add a wonderful aroma and flavor to your dishes, but it also repels mosquitoes. It's hardy and grows easily with minimal care. Morning glory, known locally as pak boong, is a fast-growing green that's perfect for stir-fries. It's ready to harvest in just a few weeks, making it a quick and nutritious addition to your garden. Papaya trees are a fantastic addition. They're low maintenance and bear fruit year-round. Use ripe papayas for sweet desserts and green ones for the famous Thai salad, som tam. No Thai garden is complete without Thai basil. Its aromatic leaves are a staple in many dishes, and it's incredibly easy to grow. Just a few plants will keep you well supplied. Spice things up with chili peppers. They're essential in Thai cooking, adding heat and flavor. From mild to fiery, there's a variety for every taste. The coconut tree, often called the tree of life, offers more than just refreshing water. The meat is nutritious, and the husks have multiple uses around the home and garden. Banana plants are fast-growing and provide much more than fruit. The leaves are perfect for wrapping food, and the plant itself can help create natural shade in your garden. Galangal, also known as Thai ginger, is a must-have for many traditional dishes. It thrives in partially shaded areas, and is an excellent addition to your culinary herb garden. The Kaffir lime tree is another gem. Both the leaves and the fruit are indispensable in Thai cooking, and the tree is compact enough to fit in small garden spaces. Finally, turmeric. Known for its vibrant color and health benefits, turmeric is a great crop to grow. It adds a golden touch to your dishes and your garden. There you have it, 12 surefire crops to ensure self-sufficiency in rural Thailand. Start planting today and enjoy the rewards of a thriving, sustainable garden. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more tips on living self-sufficiently. Happy gardening!